Yes, hello everyone. So we continue for the second lesson. This video I would like to show you how to write the text. So the previous one we already know about the parts that we can do for the background. Alright, you can do the big background like this, and you can select the field. And sometimes you do this one but no field, right? You need to see this one, shape or part or pixel. Okay, part like this we call part, and this one click again and we call the pixel. You need to select on the layer, okay, right? And another one we call the shape. So when you click it will show the shape. So in here we call the, you can see, overlay, color overlay. So when you click the F8 you can change the color what you want. Okay, this one. So just click and delete. Right, select whatever you want. But when you want to select this one, sometimes when the new program coming you cannot select like this. So look at over about the menu. You can select the auto select and this layer. Okay, and show the transform control. This one we can show the transform control. You can see this one we call the show the transform control. So whatever you design you need to see this one first, auto select, layer, and show transform control. Okay, click all of this, and also this one when you want to move the group. But now I'm not teaching you about the group, so you can select the layer first. Select auto select, layer, and show transform control. All right, okay, so you can select this one. Your mouse is moving and select, and you can press the delete key. That's it. So you can choose the part again, and this one shape and fill what color you want, green or white or yellow, red, blue. All right, and just click it. Okay, so now we can do the part, but I don't like this color. How can I change? I delete it and redraw again? No. Look at this. This one we call layer. When you want to show the layer, you can see this one. Layer F7. View layer. Okay. Window layer F7. So when you design, you need to remember the function key. Window F7. Okay, layer, or you press in the keyboard F7. All right, and then in here you can see F8, right? Just click on it and then you can choose the color overlay. It's more better than add the change color. You can choose what color you want. All right, okay, blue, dark blue, or dark gray, depend on you. Click OK and then OK. And then now I will show you about the text, how to write the text. Just click on here. In here you right click on the text T. You can see the horizontal type tool and vertical type tool, and another version also have another two option, but we never use that one. Because in the artwork not useful for that. Now just click the horizontal type. You click and you typing, but the color is no color, right? Okay, no color. So you select this one. Make sure you control your mouse well, right? Yeah. Your mouse is more important when you use the Photoshop. Click in the color and change the color like this. Yeah, and then you move. You want to try another type, just click and like this. You want to make it smaller. Smaller. Alright. Yes, smaller. You want to change the font color, font size, and font type in here. You want to move, you press the move tool or keyboard if V. Okay, move tool. We call move tool. And you click here and put here. And you want to zoom in, zoom out. You press Ctrl R and your mouse moving, and the ruler. How we call the mouse like this. Okay, I don't know how to call it. Scroll up and down. But when you scroll, you need to press the Ctrl R. Okay, or you press the keyboard E, Ctrl minus and Ctrl plus. Okay, zoom in, zoom out. Or you press Ctrl R with the scroll mouse. Okay, zoom in, zoom out. And then you want to move like this, you need to press the space bar and you click on the left hand of your mouse, and you can move up and down, depend on you. It's more easy. So in Photoshop we need to move like this one, more easy to control everywhere what we want. And Ctrl R, scroll up and down, it calls zoom in, zoom out. Or you press Ctrl plus, Ctrl minus. Okay, you want to zoom in, zoom out, Ctrl R, scroll. Okay, and then select. Make sure this one select auto select layer and show transform control, and this one the text, and you want to change the color like this. Overlay, and then click the color like this. Alright, when you want to edit the text, you just click press T, or you select in here, click. Like this. And telephone, but you see this one, it's more close, right? Just select this one and then press Ctrl T, or we can call the character you can find in here. Paragraph, character, where is the character? No, here, right? Paragraph, character, you can see the view. No, where is the character? This one, yeah, character like this. Okay, so in the keyboard we press Ctrl T. Alright, yeah, Ctrl T, click paragraph or character. You can see this one, move up and down, press your arrow key. Okay, up and down, you can change the number like this or up and down. Okay, this one we use how to write the text tool. We can press this one, click on the text, and this one we call the paragraph. We typing in the paragraph box, or we call text box. Alright, yeah. And this one, you just click and type just simple text. This one we call paragraph, and one the simple text. So we can move, and then we select this one, and can see here this one, align, right? Align you already know in the Word, no need to explain more. You can see the photo of the tool. Okay, that's it. This one how we call the text. And when you can see the text, this one, I want to see this one, just click another tool, press P control, click like this, like this, like this, and we click the text. Click. You can see? Yeah. Okay. So there are many ways to write the text. So this video I just show you simple text only. So you need to practice first about the part tool and the text. Okay. So now you already know about two functions, two tool. I mean the one is the part tool, one is the text tool, and another one is the layer. Yes, the color overlay layer, and also move tool, and also this one when you select this one V tool, you can see auto select layer and show the transform control and the paragraph and the character. So now you know many, and see you next lesson. So the first you need to practice it first. Alright, thank you.